everybody, and welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. We are making a spring wreath today. We are working with this beautiful polka dotted green ribbon. And if you guys like and enjoy my videos, consider pressing the subscribe button and you will be notified of my upcoming videos. With that much thanks, and let's get this rolling. Yes, indeed, I am happy to be here. We got this beautiful polka dotted ribbon. We are also making my little creations with the ribbons right here. We got, let me see, we got 3 10-inch leopard and 3 10-inch of white and 3 10-inch of the green. And we also got 3 pipe cleaners. We got these beautiful sunflowers, and we also got these little sunflowers. We got some of my sorted little greenie, which I like to put in here. And we got like 3 of these beauties. Okay, we got this little sign which I made from the famous $1.25 store. Painted it and pinned that on there. And just glued this in the back. And we are just going to get this. And we are going to get this going in here. This is the tricky part. Just put it on there. Grab these. And voila. Bam, we got it. Look at that. Woo. Okay. There. Okay, we're going to get this. We are making, I think it's a 8-inch tail. Yep, an 8-inch tail. And we are making 2 12-inch loops. 12-inch loops. We got that one. And you take this other one over here. Voila, look at that. Wow. Take this together and they're even. So we're going to take this up here. And I got my pin spot right here. This is a 14-inch ribbon, wire wreath ribbon. Then you can take this in here and just pinch them together, and voila, look at that. Boing. Hey, got that. Then we're going to work ourselves with the ribbon over here. We're going to go down, and we're going to make 1 12-inch loop. Get this guy in right here. Oh my, look at how beautiful this is coming. Just with the beautiful ribbon. Okay, look at that. There we go. Now we're going to come down here, and we are just going to make 2 more 12-inch loops. There we go. Gonna get this right here, and bam. Oh, how lovely. I think I'm gonna put it right here. Just going in here. There, bam. Okay, let's get these puffed up right here. Wow. Check this out. Woo. Okay, got these puffed up, got going right here. Now we are going to work with some of this greenery. Let's weave this greenery up in here. We got 3 of them. We're going to weave these up in here. See what I mean by weaving? We're just going to put them under here. And right here. Wait, I'm going to start over here. Right here. Kind of work with the ribbon. Work around with the ribbon, the wires. There we go. Let's get this back in here. Hide that. I just love, like always, working with this greenery, green ribbon, green wired wreath, because you could just insert things in there and it stays, you know. Kind of bend this just like a wired one. Now we got a little bit more going, so we're just gonna put this on top, work some down, working downwards, some more, and pin it in right here. There we go. There. Get some more. Work down this way. I think we got this. This is tall one right here. Work this one in here. Lift them up. Lift this beautiful funky ribbon up. It's going to be beautiful, bright wreath. Everybody's going to like, wow. Where'd you get that ribbon? I mean, that wreath. There you go. So gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. Okay, we got one more. I think we're going to get this turned this way. Put this a little bit right here. Okay. You know, I think it's about time to step back and visualize, check out what we're working with, and looking good, looking good. Okay, let's get some of these going in here. You know what, we need some, I think I need to trim the little bit of this, but it's working. There, put that in here, right there. Wow, we got this other one, let's go in here, put some in here. Gonna lift it open because remember, we're working with these ribbons. Okay, let me get this one. That here. I don't want to cover up our hello. I think I'll put that one here. Okay, we're going to stop right there so we could work on these. Let's leave these for later. Okay, excuse me now. We're just gonna get these lovelies together. How is it? I think we got the green, we got the white, and we got this cheetah or leopard. It's a fun wreath color, okay? Then you twist that. Ah. What I like to do is grab this and kind of pop them up. Pop them up. There we go. Kind of twirl them around. Let's get this beauty in here. Okay, turn that one that way. We're gonna get these in here. Wow. Okay, and then just twist that in there like this and move these around the way you want it. Okay, we already made these other ones, so they're ready to roll. Get this one up here. Yeah. There we go. Look at this, everybody. Just move them around. And these are wired ribbons. These are wired ribbons, so you could adjust them the way you want, or, you know, put it in the length you guys want, you know. This is your ribbon now, and let's just have fun and be creative, and we got beauty going on. Uh-oh. Where's that? I think I made it a little too long. Too short there. You could also, you know, glue your things on if you want it to be on there or to be stuck. Okay, now we're going to get some of these sunflowers, and we're just going to put one here. I think we're going to put another one right here. Wow, how is that looking, everybody? Let's hit a thumbs up or leave a comment. And we are going to get another one right up here. Ooh, look at this. Wow, such beautiful, fun colors. Again, these are fun colors. Like I said, let's experiment with our colors and be creative. And wow, you just have a unique wreath going on. And let's finish with some of these. We need some more up here. Some more of these right here. Bam. Bam. And bam. And there it is, everybody. Once again, we got another beauty going on, and I had so much fun here with you guys. Like always, making our videos with you, sharing our creativity. Just remember now to step back and visualize. Be creative and experiment with your colors. You know, let's get some funky colors out of there, out here. There you go. Let me see. Let me check this out. How's it looking for everybody? Ooh, look at that. Once again, thanks for coming to my channel, everybody, and have a great, wonderful day. Ooh, look at that, everybody. Enjoy making your wreath and be creative and step back and visualize. Woo! Until the next videos, everybody have a fun, great, happy, spectacular day. See ya. Like, share, and subscribe.